Hey y'all, what's up? It's your girl Samaya, also known as Slay Maya, and today I'm going to be doing a box braid tutorial for you. But before we go on, I'm gonna need everybody watching to hit that subscribe button, like, and comment down what videos you want to see here on my channel. I do hair vlogs hair vlogs and some makeup. Sometimes I dabble in the arts of dancing and stuff like that too. Doesn't that sound like a lot of fun? That means you should definitely subscribe, so hit that subscribe button. Today I'm going to be doing a box braid tutorial, and yeah, since this is gonna take so long, make sure that you put on your comfy clothes and you have time because this is gonna take a minute. So instead of rambling on some more, I'm just gonna jump right into the video. So you want to start off on stretch hair. It doesn't have to be blow dried. I blow dried mine and was doing like blow dried styles for a minute to have it stretch, but you could definitely do a twist style. You don't need to use any heat or anything of that sort. So first and foremost, I want to talk about the hair that I got. Janet Collection Beauty Plus sent me this hair. It is their new pre-stretched and feathered, save your time, convenience braiding hair. It is antibacterial, antifungal, and itch free. This is what it looks like. I'm not sure of the price point, but I'm sure it's not, you know, break your bank expensive. If you don't have hair with stretched ends, make sure you go check out my Senegalese twist tutorial so I can show you how to stretch your hair. But this is just gonna make it so much faster and, you know, so much easier. One thing I will say though is I feel like the bundle of hair is a little like small. Just because I'm used to working with like super jumbo braided hair, and this doesn't say jumbo. That's the only thing I could say. So the colors I got were 1 and 1B. So I'm just gonna mix those up. I don't think it'll look bad mixed up, so I'm just gonna do it. So yeah, I want to give a big shout out to Janet Collection. Thank you so much for sending me that hair, and make sure you go check them out. Their links for Instagram and their website will be linked in the description box. So before you put in braids, you want to make sure that your hair is very, 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 very moisturized, okay? So I use shea butter. I live by shea butter. I just got hit to it a couple months ago and I have never turned back. My hair has been looking so healthy. Make sure you have a mirror, like a handheld, and a bigger mirror. Also, you're gonna need some scissors if you want to cut the hair. I don't think I will be, or frame it. You need combs, gels, grease, all of that. Today I'm using the Let's Jam by Dark and Lovely. Alright, so first I'm going to start off by parting my hair. Now, I'm going to part my hair the same way I did in that video. Just some squares. I like to get me a nice middle part first and then do boxes. I'll just show you. These first two sections sectioned off, you want to take this whole back area and split it in half this way. Okay, so as you can see, that part is not even. But as we continue on, you'll notice that I really don't mind my hair not being perfect in the back, just because nobody is going to see that. You want to worry about that more in the front. Okay, so like I said, don't really care about how neat these are, like the parting is in the back. As you can see, that probably wasn't neat at all. Good enough for me though, and what I like. But if you like yours neater, you can definitely like take a mirror and use it to see the back of your head. But I'm a lazy natural, so I just feel like if you're not going to see it, it doesn't matter. So I'm going to show you guys 2 ways on how to attach the hair. just because when I was first learning how to do it, I was figuring out what made my hands feel the most comfortable. Wow, this is really nice hair. It feels like this hair, which is wild. This is really nice. It doesn't seem thick like I said, but it's pretty thick. Okay, all right, Janet. When picking hair, you want to pretty much make it the same thickness as your actual hair, but a little bit more, and also depending on how thick you want the braid. So now that you're all close and personal up into my imperfections, I'm going to show you guys how to attach your hair 2 different ways. So for the first method, this is the one where you only take 2 strands and you borrow the hair. Alright, so when you're doing the back of your head, you want to grab it, flip it behind your head. Nobody told me this when I first started.
Hey guys, so this is voiceover Slay Maya. I realized that I didn't do like a great job of showing you both methods, but here's the first one. So it's basically when you make one of the pieces of your hair a part of the braid. You know how braids are 3 strands? One of the strands is only your hair, and then as you get to the bottom, you start adding hair from the other 2 longer pieces in order to make 3 pieces. So basically you don't start off with 3 pieces, but you finish with 3 pieces by adding hair to the braid, as you see me doing right now. For the second method, what you want to do is make 3 strands from the beginning, basically by taking a small piece of hair and overlapping it over the bigger piece of hair so it could turn into 3 strands. You know, now you starting off with 3 strands already. As you can see, I'm kind of like putting the smaller piece on top of the bigger one, and then I'm going to add the 2 small pieces together so we can start off with 3 pieces.
Okay guys, so it's been probably 6 hours. It took me 6 hours. And remember how I said in the beginning that I felt like the packs were too thin? I take that back. Like, so heavy, because I only used 5 packs. Not even 5. I still have this much left from my 5th pack. It definitely has enough braiding hair. I still wish that it was a little bit longer. This length might be okay to a lot of people, but I like mine like all the way down here type stuff. But I still really like it. It looks really cute and really natural. This is it. This is how you do box braids. I'm loving it. These are the results. And yeah guys, I really hope you like this video. I really hope you learned something, and I'll see you guys in the next one.